What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel again. Glad you're tuning in. So today's the day we get to finally install the diffuser fins on the Corvette C7 right here. So let me just kind of show you my process of how we're going to do that. Link will be in the description below if you are interested in getting some diffuser fins for your C7 Corvette or anything like it. And I hope you all enjoy the video. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead, hop right into this and see how it goes. Alright guys, so here is the diffuser fins right here. It comes in this little package from Extreme Online Store. And as you can see, I have the carbon flash pieces here. As you can see, there's where the bolts are going to go through, and they are labeled right and left. I don't know if you can see that there. So it comes with the supplied bolts here. Now to do this install, remember they're going to go right here and right here. So best it's to have your, so you need some scissors to cut out the little part that has the parts to where you can bolt it up. There's a little diagram that you go taped up here, and that's where you know where to drill. Now if you have a pry tool and a microfiber towel, that's going to help, and some tape, because you're going to need to kind of get these clips out so you get this black piece off. That's the way I'm going to do it. And also for, obviously you need your drill. You'll need a 1/8 bit and a 1/4 inch bit as well to do the drilling. So, and some tools to get some bolts off, because as you can see, there are a couple bolts right here and right here that you're going to need to take out, as well as down in there and there where the exhaust is, and then underneath there's a couple bolts underneath over here on this side and that side. So I'll just kind of walk you through and we'll do that step by step. Okay guys, so look, here's the template for putting this on the car, and as you can see, it shows you which side to do. So just take some scissors and cut along the lines here and cut these out. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna end up putting them right here taped on the bottom of this part here. And I'll show y'all in the video, okay? Alright guys, so once you have these little lights here pulled out on each side, there's 10mm bolts on here and there that you're going to have to get out. So go ahead and take those out and I'll show you. Alright guys, so once you have all the bolts and screws taken out from the bumper, nothing should be holding the bumper to the rest of the upper bumper. So everything pretty much just needs to pop out, and there's clips over here and over there on that side, and I think there's some maybe over here too on the top and over here. So just real lightly, gently start working your way from one end and going all the way to the other, and the whole thing should pop off. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so after you saw, I took the lower part of the bumper off. Just be careful with it, and you know, you'll be fine. Here's what it looks like, and remember, you're gonna be drilling basically over here and over here on each side of these things. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over. We're gonna put the white part of the outline on there, and then we'll go ahead and drill it, and I'll show y'all. All right, guys, so once you have the template taped to the bumper here, go ahead and take your drill and start with the 1/8 bit and go ahead and drill all 6 holes, okay? Once you're done with that, get the 1/4, the 1/4 inch bit, drill bit, and drill and ream those holes, and then that's it for that one. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys, so pretty much when you're putting on the fins, they're going to be labeled left and right on them. Put the left on the passenger side and put the right on the driver's side. Trust me, it will line up. I was getting freaked out before and I thought it wouldn't, but it does. Just make sure you put the left on the passenger and the right on the driver's side. And as you can see, look, it's already coming forward. There's the fins going on, so we're just got to do the other side. All right, guys, so look, that's the underside of it. There's the 6 bolts holding it in, the screws, same over here, the 6, and just be real careful when you're putting it on and everything will be all right. Okay, guys, so pretty much we have them in, all right? You just put the 3 bolts and drill it in from the other side while you hold it in. I know I didn't really record that here because I was getting a second hand and it was hard to film it that way, but basically that's what you're gonna do, okay? Just hold the fin up into the bumper and on the other side, start to drill in the supplied screws and then everything will fit flush. Make sure everything looks good. And as you can see, that's the way they look and that's how it is. And I think this thing is gonna look sick once it's actually on the car. So let's go ahead, we'll put all the bolts and screws back up and then I'll show you the final product once it's already on there, okay? All right, guys, and here is the completed project. As you can see, the diffuser fins are in and this looks insane. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my goodness, guys. It looks so good. Can't wait to go shows now. All right, links will be in the description below if you are interested in buying it. Oh, guys, man, that was a good install video. Hope you all enjoy it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on this channel. And I will be seeing y'all in the next video, so don't forget to stick around. Oh, I'm out of breath, guys. I need to go shower and go relax. All right, y'all have a good one. Peace.